dance, go. Oh shit, I broke it. Hey, what's up, Sami here. So this is the Mi Band 7 NFC version. Yesterday I did a really quick unboxing in a hands-on first look. And today in this video, we are going to take a closer look, like a really super detailed one. I will show you every detail about it, like, and what's new and what's not so new. And also compared with the Mi Band 6 to see if it's worth upgrade or something. Without further ado, let's get started. All right, first for the packaging. The left is the Mi Band 7 and the right is the Band 6 international version. Same style, but this time the latest band didn't highlight the number 7. Moving to the back, you may have seen the leaked picture of the Band 7 prior to the launch event. It's all about the highlights. Very disappointed. Still no built-in GPS. Come on, Sami, don't be so cheap. Regarding what's in the box, is the same as the Band 6. You have the manual, small band, and the magnetic charging cable. Strong magnetic, by the way. Now, let me answer one of the most asked questions from you guys. Are the two straps interchangeable? Now, I'm using the Mi Band 6 strap on the Band 7. With a bit of effort, I can, and then I'm trying the opposite. I can easily put the Mi Band 7 strap on the Mi Band 6. So I would say they are compatible, but you have to notice the Mi Band 7 size is slightly larger than the Band 6. So when the Band 7 was in Band 6 strap, the strap got a little bit distorted. It's like you can wear a smaller sized underwear, but you will feel uncomfortable. The same reason. Two straps adopted the same material and the same design, or at least I didn't feel any difference. It's just comfortable to wear, though I still didn't get used to wearing the band to sleep. Regarding the design, they are very much the same, basically like twins. And the Mi Band 6 is the international version. It has lots of certification marks on the back. Now you know why the global version is always falling behind the Chinese version. So please subscribe to my channel if you want to be the first to know about the latest Chinese tech products. I'm here. As for the screen, the Band 7 gets a 1.62-inch AMOLED display compared to the 1.55-inch screen of the Mi Band 6. The display area looks a bit larger even if we don't light up the screen. Once we light up, yes, it feels larger as well. As Sami said, it increases the viewing area by 25%. The first time to activate the band, we have to connect the Mi Sports app. As the Mi Band 7 is not officially released, we can only connect through their in-house beta app, the Zip Life. Just follow the steps. It will take less than 30 seconds to connect to your phone. For what's in the app, not so much new stuff here. Basically the same as the previous generations. By the way, if you're wondering if the Mi Band 7 supports other languages, it does. In the language setting here, you just choose follow phone's language. Of course, how can I miss the continuous blood oxygen saturation monitor setting? That's one of the big upgrades from the Mi Band 6. You can set low blood oxygen reminder as well. Moving back to the differences between the Band 7 and the 6, if you're wondering which one is brighter, here I adjusted them to their max brightness and then compare them. I found that if we view from the front, seems there's not so big a difference. But if viewing from a side angle like the video shows, the Band 7 is much brighter. Regarding smoothness, the Mi Band 7 has upgraded with a more powerful CPU. I personally feel smoother than the Band 6. The Band 7 can even handle that cool Mars animation, though some of you guys said that looks not so smooth. Another upgrade for the Mi Band 7 is it has added 4 new sports data analysis options to measure training load: aerobic, anaerobic, maximum oxygen intake, and training effects. This looks so professional, though I don't know what those terminologies mean. For others, the Mi Band 7 has a larger battery capacity and a slightly heavier weight. Alright, the last part is the gesture controls. This part is a little bit boring, that's why I put it at the end of this video. After this part is my conclusion. You can jump directly to that part if you want. Regarding the gesture control for the Mi Band 7, let me walk you through very quickly. So this is the homepage. Swipe down, you got notifications. Currently no notifications. And then swipe up, you got vitality, detector, heart rate, pi, blood oxygen, workout history, workout status, stress test, sleep, Alipay, weather, music, alarm, event, cars, settings, and more. Let's click more. You got a flash. Hey, you got a flashlight, right? Flashlight turned on. Oh. So this is the flashlight. Basically, zero use. Okay. Breathing, stopwatch, timer, find my phone, and reminder, and shout I. But currently it only supports like, oh, didn't connect the phone. Just a second, we'll connect later. But currently it recognizes Chinese only. And now let's swipe right. Show voice assistant. What's the weather like? What's the weather like? Hey, it shows. Hey, it recognizes English. How are you? Oh, no, it cannot. Again. I just said, how are you? He said, good friend. So yeah, this is Chinese version. I'm not sure if the international, yeah, the international should like the Mi Band 6. It supports Alexa. So all right, that's it. All right, okay, I'm not gonna flirt with it. Okay, music, Alipay, and cars, weather. Okay, that's the homepage. And the swipe left. Yeah, that's the basic thing, just in reverse order, and that's it. So now let's change the interface, watch face. Oh, you can. But I feel it's a little bit lag. It has lag, because it has more power, computing power, more, but it's a bit lag. Yeah, this one. You see, this animation can only show in the Mi Band 7. Okay, use. Ooh, see. Let's check the workouts. An outdoor run, treadmill, indoor cycling, walking. It supports up to 120 sports modes. So that's crazy. Elliptical, yoga, dance, chica dance, internet fitness, soccer, badminton, or workouts. Oh, workouts here. Cycling, 3 work. Oh, they have, for each category they include several workouts, like walking 5 workouts, cycling 3 workouts, swimming 3 workouts, indoor workouts, dance. Hey, I like dance. Dance, go. Okay. Alright, after a limited time of use, my conclusion is the Mi Band 7 is the best budget and well-balanced smart band Xiaomi can offer. But for me, it doesn't have many significant upgrades, at least not so attractive to me. It doesn't even offer that GPS feature, a feature that I've been long anticipated for. I feel disappointed. My suggestion is, if you are new and want to try a smart band, the Mi Band 7 is perfect. But I don't suggest you upgrade if you own a Mi Band 6 or even Mi Band 5. For the price and availability, you can check out from my sponsor, Buying. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. I'm Sami. I will see you in the next one. 96 SPO2. I'm normal, right?